Cancer has been presented to humanity as a terrifying, unstoppable enemy, a disease that suddenly attacks, mutates, and destroys the body. But what if this understanding is incomplete? What if cancer is not a monster, but a message from the body itself? From the perspective of natural science, cancer is not a mysterious or supernatural phenomenon. It is not an accident of nature, and it is not an inevitable death sentence. Cancer, in natural terms, is a state of imbalance, a condition created when the body's internal environment becomes unsafe for normal cellular life. The human body is not a machine. It is a living, adaptive, intelligent system. Every cell continuously responds to its environment, nutrient availability, toxin load, oxygen supply, and metabolic signals. When this internal environment remains healthy, cells function normally. But when that environment becomes toxic, cells are forced to adapt in order to survive. In natural science, toxins are the primary disruptors of cellular health. These toxins enter the body through processed food, chemical additives, polluted air, contaminated water, excessive medications, chronic stress, and poor digestion. When detoxification organs, especially the liver, kidneys, gut, and immune system, fail to clear these toxins efficiently, toxins begin to accumulate inside tissues and cells. A toxic cellular environment damages normal metabolic pathways. Along with toxin overload, another critical factor is protein imbalance. Proteins are, absolutely essential for life. But when there's excess protein, or it's improperly metabolized, or just poorly utilized, it actually creates a lot of metabolic stress. When protein breakdown, transport, or utilization fails, these excess proteins start to accumulate in the body. In many cases, this excess shows up as things like lymph node enlargement, abnormal tissue growth, tumors, or high-protein cell masses. This isn't just random growth. It's really the body's way of trying to isolate, store, or control metabolic overload. Natural science doesn't actually see cancer cells as evil or foreign. So-called cancer cells are often just normal cells that have been forced into an abnormal survival mode. When the body is under toxic and nutrient-deficient conditions, cells adapt by changing their energy usage, reproduction patterns, and even how they handle waste. This adaptive state is what modern diagnostics label as cancer. Conventional treatments often focus on, destroying these cells. But if the internal environment stays toxic, new abnormal cells will just keep appearing. Killing cells without correcting the metabolic environment is a bit like mopping the floor while the tap is still running. Natural science offers a different approach. Instead of attacking cells, it focuses on restoring the internal environment. This involves, removing toxin overload, correcting protein imbalance, rebuilding liver function, restoring digestion, and replenishing micronutrients required for cellular metabolism. When metabolism becomes normal again, cells no longer need to survive in abnormal ways. When the body's internal chemistry becomes safe again, abnormal cells lose their survival advantage. They either return to normal behavior or are naturally eliminated by the immune system. This is not magic. This is basic biological intelligence. Cancer does not disappear because it is fought. It disappears because it is no longer needed. From a natural science viewpoint, cancer is not an irreversible disease. It is a reversible metabolic state. Change the environment, and the biology changes. This is how the body has always worked. The body is not broken. It is responding. Cancer is not a punishment. It is a signal. When toxins are removed, protein balance is restored, and metabolism returns to harmony. The body remembers how to heal. Cancer is not a deadly disease. It is a metabolic condition. Restore balance. Restore life.